So remember I was telling you guys that I got my clothes washed yesterday. So like different clothes are in different things, but this is what it looks like, and it looks so flowy. I'm telling you, y'all, that Revlon blow dryer. Oh, is this mine? We did a little impromptu Sephora. I came on here because I wanted to tell y'all I broke a bracket. How? I don't know. That looks so cute. I'm pretty sure I wore this outfit before on TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok, why? And I'm at almost 1,000 on YouTube. My road to 1K. We are, y'all, we pushing it. We almost there. I'm definitely doing the most with this because why'd I just put your hair? Y'all, I just finished doing my hair. So this is what it looks like right now. And I know you can see that in the background, it's fine. But this is what it looks like. And it looks so flowy. I'm telling you, y'all, that Revlon blow dryer. Because this is like body wave hair, like Indian body wave. So it's like nice and thick. Anyway, I feel like I finally figured out how to use this hair. So remember I was telling you guys that I got my clothes washed yesterday. This is how... Oh my God. Happy New Year, by the way. This is how they came wrapped. So like different clothes are in different things like this, and I have like different pods of things. I guess it's like different wraps of things. So I have to put these away. Yeah, I have to get rid of them, put them away, so I could make sure well, actually have to clean my closet in order for me to put them away. I don't even know how I'm gonna put these away. I think I'm gonna put them in the shelf that I have. I'm just gonna stack them in the shelf and then figure out how I'm gonna put everything away. But that means like all my clothes are washed. I don't have to wash anything else, which is fantastic. And then I have to start cleaning up down here. I want to put my papa sign for my daughter up in her room. Y'all, I'm taking away the lights. So like this has to get put away. Some of these things got washed yesterday. Like some of these are Jonathan's clothes. So these things got washed. Some of these are new from Christmas. Do you see that bin back there? That means it got washed. This right here. And yeah. So we are not really doing anything today besides cooking, and the traditional meal is black eyed peas, rice. I don't know, debating between collard greens and cornbread. I mean, no, I don't know if we're gonna have collard greens, but I can make string beans. So I'm thinking about making string beans instead of collard greens. I don't really know. And I lost my memory card, y'all. No clue where it is. It's somewhere in this living room, I'm sure. Somewhere in this house. It'll turn up eventually, but I can't find it. And I lost my YSL, but I placed the order from Sephora today, so hopefully it'll be here soon, because I really don't know where my YSL lip stuff is, and I need it. Like, as you can see with my braces, my new thing is making sure my lips are like extra glossy. So I hope you're having a good day. Just wanted to come check in because I told you guys I'm going to try to vlog consistently. I'm so proud of how my hair came out, even with my flyaways. I think it looks good. Hopefully it comes across on screen like that, like in person it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. So I'll talk to y'all later, probably when I go eat or something. And yeah, talk to you later. Bye. Oh, is this mine? We did a little impromptu Sephora. Guys, ignore this one piece of hair that is not gonna let me be great. And I still gotta clean up over here. Hold up. Is that better? Because it was looking crazy. All right, so we got a little impromptu Sephora haul. I just got Sephora delivered to my house. Commodity milk. This is expressive. It's supposed to smell really good. I'll tell you guys whether or not it does. And I needed some more face wash, so I got this as well. I got the topical lip stuff because I knew they just came out with the lip stuff, so I got that. And I also got the YSL lip stuff, but they didn't have it, so I'm gonna have to like pick it up, like order it to go. I really gotta clean this area up because it's gonna drive me crazy for real. But dinner just finished cooking too. I can show you what we have. This is what we have every New Year, and I'll just show you. I did my lashes earlier. I gotta seal them. Forgot to do that. I have 12, 11, and then 10. If you guys were wondering, if you were. So we have green beans, this, string beans, chicken, rice is boiling. I have cornbread in the oven, and black eyed peas. Oh, those are hot. Pro tip, cook your black eyed peas in the Instant Pot. When I tell you they're so good and they only take 30 minutes to cook, yes, cook your black eyed peas in the Instant Pot if you have one. Because no, nobody has the time to be soaking and doing all the things all day. No one has time for that. So yeah, everything is done. We're about to eat soon, and this is normally our New Year's Eve meal. I don't know how to. I hate when I forget how to take this off. I hate when I. Do I have stuff in my teeth? Hold up, yeah. I definitely have stuff in my teeth, but not in the middle of my teeth, so that's fine. But I'm gonna take stuff out of my teeth. My hair still looks good. I had to tie it down because it was looking crazy. Let me see what it looks like right now. Yeah. I needed it to lay flat, and now it's laying flat. So in the morning when I do my baby hairs and everything, it's gonna look so good. So yeah, I had a really productive day. Like I took a shower, I cooked dinner, I washed my hair, blow dried my hair, and flat ironed it. So I'm gonna wear it straight for tomorrow. I don't know what I'm wearing tomorrow. I gotta get my clothes out and Jonathan's clothes out. And usually when I get our clothes out, I put it in like, for him, I put it in this rolling cart thingy just because it helps me in the morning do less things. So that'll be done. And then I'm trying to think what else I gotta do. Right now, I don't know what I'm wearing tomorrow, but I wanna look cute. So maybe I'll wear pink tomorrow. Oh, I could wear green. My green Zara shirt with my green pants. My green pants are too big. Y'all, remind me to go to Abercrombie and return these pants because I have 2 pair of pants I need to return. And remind me to go get my pants altered. Actually, that laundry place does alterations too. I really, this I feel like the only face wash that I can use right now in the winter time. And I want to see what this smells like. I feel like I should unbox this downstairs in my she shed. Come on, let's go. First of all, it's freezing down here. Second off, I don't know what I'm going to use to put this on. Because my tripod is where? Where's my tripod? Where's my tripod at? It is, oh, on the other side. I'm going to switch y'all. Hold up. Is that good enough? Yeah. It's going to be good enough today. All right, so you see me looking raggedy. It's fine, y'all, because I just did my hair and everything, and I wanted my hair to be out of the way. But let's talk about this commodity milk. I smelled this a while ago, and it smelled pretty good, and I just went and purchased it. I want like a vanilla scent, and this is like pretty close to the Tom Ford vanilla scent. Oh, it says 3 hours in this memory card. Dang. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Opens like that. Slides out. So fancy, this box, right? It says an opaque white liquid rich in sweet creams and fresh woods. Seeking comfort in the familiar, this creamy and calming scent offers a perfect start to the day. This is what I got. Ooh. Ooh. I don't know why I didn't know that it smelled like that. Like I knew it smelled good. I want to see what the dry down is like. The initial right out the bottle smell is good. I don't even know where I'm gonna put this. This is like almost all Tom Ford. I thought it would remind me of this, but it doesn't. It smells good though. I thought this would remind me of this, but it does not. This is like vanilla extract. This is like, I don't know how to describe this, but I like it. I feel like if I spray this a lot, I don't know, but I like this. I'm gonna put this back in the box for now because I don't know what else to do with it. Just know it's a very good scent. It is, what are the notes on this? It does not tell me what the notes are. But it smells good, for sure. No notes given here, but it definitely smells good. I sprayed this in Sephora before, so I want to see like how I feel about it, but yeah. Okay. Anyway, I have to seal my lashes too. So it's good that I came down here because I need to do that. And I'm about to eat, y'all. My black eyed peas and my rice and everything else that I have. I normally like to have a little bit longer than this, but you know what? This was fine because I didn't want to do too much. And I was like, I want like not too much cat eye. So I did that and I think it's worth it. Like, I usually do my lashes on Sundays anyway, but today is Monday because we had off yesterday and today for the New Year's. So yeah, we're good now. I gotta make sure I keep my teeth brushed like at all times, y'all, because absolutely not, okay? There's no way. All right, let me go eat and I'll talk to y'all later. My hair still looks good. It's nice and flat. That Revlon blow dryer, top tier. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. I don't know how I feel about this yet. I gotta see. Let me wear it around the house and I'll tell y'all how I feel about it later. Okay. That scent is just so interesting. Like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like, I wish I sprayed it more so it could be more expressive on me. But whenever you take it out the thing, it's amazing. I'm going upstairs. Oh man, dropped my clothes. Going upstairs. I'm about to eat and I'll talk to y'all. This is a plate. This is just chicken with black eyed peas, string beans, and cornbread. I'm sad because my cornbread broke. I was trying my best. Hot sauce. And then that's it. Y'all, this is good. Bedtime mocktail. Cheers. Y'all, it's been a day. Not a bad day, just a long day, and I'm pretty tired. But I came on here because I wanted to tell y'all I broke a bracket. How? I don't know. So apparently today I broke a bracket. Not really sure how. I was at work brushing my teeth, and all of a sudden my bracket, which is here, started to shift towards my first tooth, like my front tooth. So I was like, what the heck? So I slid it, and then that's when I realized, like, oh, okay, your bracket is broken because you're not supposed to be able to slide your brackets. But then I went onto my website, like for where my orthodontist, like basically has all of my information. And I went on and I thought I was going to have to make an emergency appointment to get my bracket fixed. But basically they were saying like, oh, well, even if you break a bracket, if you put like the wax on it, if it's bothering you, but my tooth, they haven't bothered me, so it was fine. And then they said the other option was to take it off. But I was like, I'm going to leave it alone. If it's not bothering me, like, just leave it. It's going to be fine. I'm not going to do anything to it. So right now, this jacket is a little shifty. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to leave it alone. But it does shift. It will shift over like that way. So I brushed my teeth a couple times today, actually. I think maybe 3 times already today. I'm going to make a mocktail. You saw me make that earlier in the video. And then I'm going to get ready to call it a night. I'm pretty tired. This vlog is going to be not bad, just like, nah, like not too crazy. This is after New Year's. This is like me. This is only my second day back at work, so it's kind of been chill. But tomorrow we're going to go to Solid Core. And I don't know if they're going to let me record in there. I'm not really sure, so I'll try to do as much as possible. Maybe I'll try to get there early to see if they'll let me record a little bit of it. That will be my first time going. And I already scheduled a class. Oh, I also started ClassPass, and it has a free trial. So I don't have a link to it or anything like that, but I'm starting ClassPass so I can go to the gym a couple times a week. Mostly they have Pilates, and I never tried Solid Core, so I want to see what that's like. But they do have Club Pilates, but for some reason all of the things are booked because I guess it's now beginning of the year, so everybody's booking their stuff up. I still have a Club Pilates membership anyway, which is like $1 zillion a month, but I really do enjoy when I go to Pilates. So I don't know why I just keep playing with my hair. I don't know. This is how I wear my hair today. I don't even know how I'm wearing it tomorrow. Probably something very similar. And I think I'm wearing like an all monochromatic beige moment tomorrow, but this is what I wore today to work. Don't I look so cute? I'm pretty sure I wore this outfit before on TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok, why? Why are you not following me, y'all? I'm almost at 500. Well, not really. I'm at like 460, but I mean, that's pretty close to 500, right? Almost at 500 subscribers on or followers on TikTok. And I'm at almost 1,000 on YouTube. My road to 1K. We are, y'all, we pushing it. We almost there. If you're not following me yet and you've been watching my vlogs or my videos or anything like that, or my braces journey, and you want to know what's going on, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all, okay? And if you're new, my name is Summer. I know this is at the end of the video, but still, that's not the point. The point is, if you watch, you should just subscribe. It's pretty good content, I think. So, I'll talk to y'all later. I'm going to go take a thumbnail pic. I got to fix my hair a little bit, like past it, and then I'm going to go take a quick thumbnail pic, which I'll be cute. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.